Hello and welcome to Daddy Fever. 10 Best Dinners for Healthy Aging. So, here are 10 healthy dinner ideas that promote healthy aging, focusing on nutrient-rich foods that support brain health, strong bones, and overall vitality. Number 1. Grilled salmon with quinoa and steamed broccoli. Why it's great: rich in omega-3 fatty acids for brain health, protein for muscle maintenance, and antioxidants for skin and cellular health. Number 2. Mediterranean chickpea salad with grilled chicken. Why it's great: full of anti-inflammatory ingredients like olive oil, fresh veggies, and lean protein for heart health and weight management. Number 3. Vegetable stir-fry with tofu and brown rice. Why it's great: packed with fiber, plant-based protein, and phytonutrients for gut health and reduced inflammation. Number 4. Turkey and spinach stuffed bell peppers. Why it's great: high in vitamin C, iron, and lean protein, supporting immunity and energy levels. Number 5. Baked cod with sweet potato mash and asparagus. Why it's great: cod is rich in lean protein and selenium, while sweet potatoes provide beta-carotene for skin and eye health. Number 6. Lentil and vegetable soup with whole grain bread. Why it's great: lentils are a great source of plant protein, iron, and fiber, ideal for maintaining stable energy and gut health. Number 7. Grilled shrimp and avocado salad. Why it's great: combines healthy fats from avocado with low-calorie, high-protein shrimp for joint and brain health. Number 8. Quinoa and kale bowl with roasted vegetables and tahini dressing. Why it's great: kale and quinoa provide antioxidants, magnesium, and fiber to combat aging and support bone health. Number 9. Zucchini noodles with pesto and grilled salmon. Why it's great: low-carb and nutrient-dense, with salmon and pesto offering omega-3s and healthy fats. Number 10. Baked chicken with roasted Brussels sprouts and wild rice. Why it's great: Brussels sprouts are loaded with vitamin K for bone health, and wild rice adds fiber and antioxidants. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on my latest uploads. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below and let me know what you want to see next. Until next time, stay healthy and stay strong. Bye.